Investors face one of the busiest weeks of the year, with the highlight being a probable quarter-point interest rate increase from the Fed. Its decision is already discounted by the market, and the focus will be on the FOMC's projections for growth and inflation. And of course, reporters will be parsing everything Janet Yellen has to say at the press conference on Wednesday. She's likely to be pushed on how expectations for President-elect Trump's spending policies are likely to impact Fed policy. Stock market benchmarks in the US continue to push new highs on optimism over economic growth. Both the Dow Industrial and Transport averages hit record highs, adding fuel to investors' appetite for stocks. The S&P 500 is now higher by 10% year to date, while technology stocks are up by 8.5% for 2016. An upbeat economic assessment by Ms. Yellen might help fuel further gains. Oddly enough, the election victory has had more impact on bond yields than expectations over Fed policy. The 10-year note is trading at around a yield of 2.5% ahead of the FOMC and at a 12-month high, having added around 75 basis points since Election Day. On the economic calendar this week, both producer and consumer prices are likely to remain firm, but on a gentle upwards path. Retail sales data for November will include spending for the start of the holiday season. That's on Wednesday, to be followed by industrial production, which should ease for November according to Bloomberg analyst estimates. Then at 2 p.m. comes that FOMC decision and press conference. The Philadelphia Fed releases its December business outlook on Thursday, where analysts predict a further lift in confidence. And in the housing market, sentiment among builders in December is expected to remain at multi-year highs, while November's reading for housing starts is due a 7% slump as the cold weather sets in and as mortgage rates start to back up. Likewise, building permits are also likely to signal caution ahead across the building trade. That's all from IBTI, but keep up to date with market color from all of our contributors online at ibkr.com/ti. Hello, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking the button below. And over here, check out the latest short videos, market color, and digital exclusives.